Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited, BAIL India. Okay, this is a Navratna company. When you will go to the official website of BAIL India, here you can see one recruitment for the Central Research Laboratory for the post of Project Engineer 1. When you will click here, you can apply. Okay, you can just see the advertisement. Click here to download application form. Also, everything is mentioned here only. Now, let's come to the detailed advertisement. So, BAIL is going to recruit for the on the temporarily basis. This is clearly mentioned that the post is the temporary basis for the CRL Ghaziabad unit. CRL means CRL stands here for the Central Research Laboratory. Okay, now so they will recruit the post of project engineer. One number of post will be 11 here. Reservation is there, so it's mentioned. What is the qualification? BTech 4 year in the computer science from the recognized university is required. Okay, with minimum 55% marks plus minimum 2 year work experience is there. They required industrial experience, not the apprenticeship or not the teaching experience. Okay, minimum 2 year experience or C++ Java SW testing documentation. Upper age limit can be 32 here. Okay, they will have their own written test. So terms of engagement and allowances. So project engineer will be engaged initially for a period of 3 years, which may be extended up to the maximum of 4 years. Okay, first year the remuneration will be 40,000, second year 45,000, third year 50,000, or fourth year if they will increase, so this will be 55,000. Other than this, you will have the additional benefits of also a means area allowances at 10%. Okay, and 12,000 per year towards insurance premium attire allowances. So it's mentioned here clearly. Okay. Now upper age limit I already told you here. The reservation is there. You can see. So BE BTech is there in the computer science. So in computer science, these branches are allowed: computer science and engineering, computer science engineering, computer engineering, information technology. So all these branches are eligible here. Okay, let's come to the next one. This is minimum 55% marks is required. Now post qualification candidate should possess minimum 2 years related to C++, Java, SW testing, SW documentation. Here it's clearly mentioned that post qualification industrial experience is required. Okay, if you work at academic teaching, research work in NGOs, okay, then it will not be considered as an experience. Okay, it also mentioned that work experience prior to completion of BE BTech will not qualify as relevant post qualification experience. Okay, so selection processes, they will have their written test. So candidate should meet the eligibility criteria. First of all, selection will be through a written test followed by the interview. So this will be 85% marks for the written test, 15% marks for the interview. Okay, dates of the selection, timing, venue, they will inform later on. Okay, now after that here how to apply. This process is mentioned here. How to apply? Last date will be 23rd August. Okay, before 23rd August you can apply. Written test or interview, they will show the dates also. It's not disclosed till now. Yeah, application fees is there for the project engineer. One application fees will be 470 rupees, 400 plus 18% GST. If you are from the SC, ST, PWBD category, then you are exempted from the payment of application fees. So the process is mentioned, how you need to fill the form, how you need to, okay, how you need to apply. The process is mentioned here. So please check it out, each and every detail, dear students. If you think this information is useful for you, you can apply here before the 23rd August. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel. If still you not subscribe our YouTube channel, subscribe it, press the bell icon, so all the upcoming videos you will get instant notification. Thank you guys.